What it is, Paul YouTube, your boy T-Say-Z, baby, back with another motherfucking video. And just smile on your boy face. Y'all seen the title, we got an apartment. If y'all go back to some of my old videos, y'all know that I was looking for an apartment a while ago. I was thinking about moving to Houston. I was thinking about, you know what I'm saying, just getting an apartment in general. You feel me? But I finally got an apartment. Yes, I'm still in Georgia. I'm still in Atlanta, you feel me? So I'ma just go ahead and show y'all the apartment. Y'all smash the like button if y'all new. Join the gang, Swayze Nation, man. First video of 2026, man. Y'all let me know what's y'all goals for 2026. Y'all let me know what aspirations y'all got. Y'all let me know y'all plans for 2026, all the goals that y'all want to achieve and everything, man. Coming in, this is the front door. You know what I'm saying? This, the water heater right here. There's a little water heater. We're gonna work our way over here. This is the kitchen. You know, got the refrigerator. Freezer. The rest of the kitchen. Got my own microwave. Got my own oven. You know, I got a whole island. You know, and don't get me wrong, you know what I'm saying? And I got a little that's called paper towel holder. This is my first apartment, so you know, it ain't nothing too crazy. You know, I wanted to be able to maintain, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be completely transparent with y'all. I'm gonna be completely transparent with y'all. I'm going to be completely transparent with y'all. You feel me? I don't know why I couldn't say the word. But anyways, I wanted to be able to make sure I could pay everything, you know, pay all my bills, because it's hard out here. It's hard out here, you know what I'm saying? So first apartment ain't nothing too crazy, but it's good enough for me. This is the rest of the kitchen. I got my island, got my dishwasher, got a big sink, big giant sink. This is the living room. Hold on, let me hit this light for y'all. This is the living room. Put my TV right here. I do have a balcony. I do got a balcony, so y'all just stay tuned for that. I'm thinking about putting a whole the little turf grass and everything down there on the concrete. I'm gonna have a balcony set up. But let's go ahead and keep on going. There's the bedroom right there. There's the bedroom. This is one of the packages I was telling y'all I gotta put together. So this is a nightstand. We're gonna put this together. This is the bedroom, y'all. This is the bedroom. I do got a ceiling fan. This is the bathroom. And that's your boy. So this is the bathroom. Got all my storage, you know. Buy water flossing, you feel me? Because I've been wanting one of these. I've been seeing it on TikTok. So I went ahead and bought one of these. You know, got my toilet. Got my tub. Big giant tub, big garden tub. Big garden tub. And then I got my closet. I did bring a couple things over here. You feel me? So I got my washing powder and everything. My washing powder. Got some fabric softener. Got my sheets. I got some stuff right here. This is my washer and dryer. So yeah, y'all, that's basically the apartment. Ain't nothing too crazy, you know what I'm saying? But it's my first apartment. I'm excited, you feel me? I'm excited. A new journey. First time living on my own. I'm excited for 2026. Let's see what 2026 bring. Y'all smash the like button. Y'all stay tuned, you know what I'm saying? I got buku videos coming for y'all boys, man. I've been gone for a couple months. You know what I'm saying? Y'all bear with me. Hey, I was trying to make some things happen and y'all see we made it happen, man. We made it happen. You know what I'm saying? Your boy got his own crib. Your boy got his own crib, his own spot. Everything that came together exactly how I wanted it to come together. You know what I'm saying? I prayed to God, I talked to God, and you know what I'm saying? Once you ask God for something, let me tell y'all something real quick. Once you ask God for something, He already sent it. You know what I'm saying? It's already coming your way, you know what I'm saying? You just don't know when it's gonna come. You know what I'm saying? That's like you place an order for something and they ship the package off, but you never know when the package is gonna make it to the destination. You just gotta believe, you gotta have faith, and you gotta, you know what I'm saying, stay consistent and stay on that path of what it is that you're asking for. You feel me? And that's exactly what I did. And He blessed me with what I asked Him for. You feel me? So yes, I could have went get a house, I could have went do this, I could have went do that, you know what I'm saying? But I feel like an apartment was the best move for me right now, seeing that I never lived on my own. So when he got an apartment, we gonna, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna see how this go. We gonna thug it out, you feel me? But y'all, so I'm thinking king bed, you know what I'm saying? King bed, that's a nice stand. I gotta put that together. Right here, we're gonna have our sofa. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna have our TV right here. Thinking 65, 75, I'm not sure. Right here, we're gonna have our bar stools and everything. Hey, this is gonna be crazy. It's definitely gonna be crazy. You know, I've been wanting to stream. I've been wanting to stream. And now I feel like I could do that. You feel me? Yeah, y'all, like I was telling y'all, first of all, extremely excited. You feel me? Extremely. We got Google stuff. Y'all, this wall right here, I'm thinking about painting this wall. But I'm not gonna tell y'all exactly what it is I'm painting it. Y'all just have to stay tuned and see how everything come out. So y'all let me know if y'all do want to see a video on furnishing the apartment. Y'all let me know if y'all want to see me putting together the bed, putting together everything, you know what I'm saying? And it's just a quick little video to enter the new year, let y'all know that y'all can chase y'all dreams, man. 2026, we coming full throttle. Make sure y'all smash the subscribe button, cause hey, we lit. I just want to touch back in with y'all. Like I said, I know I've been gone for about 3-4 months, but shit, y'all see what that nigga been doing. Normally, I don't put stuff together. I'll work on something, but I don't like putting stuff together. Like, I'll work on a car or something, a washing machine or something like that, but I don't really like putting stuff together. That ain't really my silo. So we're gonna take all this out. These are the instructions. Y'all, usually, yeah, you see, you need a screwdriver and all that. I ain't even got none of that. You feel me? I don't have no screwdriver or nothing. I'm gonna get a screwdriver, and then we're gonna come back to this video. Today is the next day, you know what I'm saying? But still got the same hoodie on, changed the sweatpants, still got the same shoes on, you feel me? Nigga trapping out here. But I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I done brought a couple of my stuff up the stairs, and I'm tired. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. A lot of y'all wanna move on the top floor. I'm telling you, bro, when you gotta bring up all your stuff by yourself, cause I done did this solo dolo. You feel me? I still got furniture and stuff that still need to be brought up. My people gonna help me with it. But I done brought a bunch of the stuff up here by myself. And but when I tell you, hey, tired. Now I see why people be moving on the first floor. Cause it's easy. You just walking back and forth. You ain't gotta walk up no stairs or nothing like that. But yeah, man, I done brought a bunch of stuff, a whole bunch of shit. I'm about to get all this organized. I brought the toolbox. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put this up. That's what I brought the toolbox for. But y'all, it's raining outside. It's raining outside. I'm hot, bro. I put a hoodie on cause it was raining outside, but hey, I gotta cool down before I start maneuvering and saving all this stuff and putting all the shit away. We gotta run to the furniture store. I'm gonna go order my sofa. I'm gonna take y'all with me. Yo, I bought an air purifier. You feel me? I didn't even want this. You feel me? But guess how much I got this for? I got it for $10. Brand new $10. I went to one of them Black Friday stores and they had it for $10. So I grabbed it. It was brand new. I ain't want it, but shit. Headed to the furniture store.
Are you a vlogger?
Yeah.
Okay. What brings you into that?
I had called about the sofa. Nah, you good. I had called about the sofa yesterday.
Yeah. How you doing?
I'm good. Boys, right quick. Oh, this kind of cool right here. It's kind of cool. This actually ain't good. But this what we here for. This right here. You see?
Now you see it, right?
They got this one. They got this one, but this one ain't got the cup holders in there. But this one right here, you could pull it out. Ooh, I got it. Pull it out. Ooh. Come on like that. Got a cup holders right there. So, and then they got the extra storage right here. So they had this one. This one don't have no cup holders or nothing, but it's the same. But this is the one I'm gonna go with. And I think they had. I think they have black, gray. No, they got black, gray, and brown, I think. But I'm about to measure the back of this real quick. I was thinking about getting, not right. But you have to see the price, just in case. You say it's gonna come? What
It's coming in New Jersey because we transferred from our New Jersey warehouse. It's coming in at New Jersey on a full container on 23rd or 24th. So by the time it comes to Atlanta, give or take another week. So by the end of the month, you're looking at. You don't like this one right here? I have this one in gray color.
I wanted the
That material. That
yeah.
material, okay, yeah.
That ain't the same made for that one kind of hard.
No, they're different.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Yeah,
saying. That one
they're
is harder
different
than that one.
quality,
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what I wanted done.
No, I'm just letting you know that.
Nah, you good.
That one in stock, that's great.
You said at the end like 23rd, 24th.
I mean, here it should be in Atlanta. Add another week before it gets here.
So what, like the 31st?
You don't want cream? I have cream in stock. I can get you delivered today.
Color is the cream. The
Cream is a beautiful one. We
the-
do really well with. Oh yeah.
The cream is
Cream
that
people love it,
that
actually, yeah.
chair.
That's why I keep cream and gray, black in stock because very few people want gray. Majority of the people they want cream and black.
I'm thinking long term, like black, cool, but I feel like everybody
Man.
got black in their
But
house.
black looks cool. Trust me.
Everybody
Black
got
is
black. though.
hot. Black is hot. Everybody wants black. Look at my store. 30% of my store is
Yeah,
black.
I
you know?
see.
Because that's the trend. That's the trend.
That's what I'm saying. It's the trend because everybody got it in their house. I'm trying to be different.
You trying to be different?
I'm trying to be different. What color gray is gonna be like that? Or
No,
like the
it's
one?
there. Yeah, there. That's the color.
Yeah, that's smooth.
Yeah, that's a nice gray color. I'm not saying.
Yeah, that's smooth. Let me know in the comment section if y'all like this gray. If y'all like this cream. Or if y'all like that black. Way in the back. Cause I'm thinking this one right here. This one right here kind of cool. This one is cool. Can I choose my what side my chase is on?
No, it's
So that
reversible.
one is reversible. So you can tell the movers what side you want them to set it up on, and even in the future, if you wanted to change it yourself, you can do that.
It's reversible. That's the beauty of it.
But I thought it had an armrest on it.
Yeah, so you remove the arms
Remove arm,
and you
slip
just
it.
swap it and put the arms back on.
Alright y'all, so we just placed the order for the sofa. Now I'm about to get me something to eat. They say the sofa gonna take probably about 2 weeks or something like that. So I'm gonna be getting it basically at the end of the month. In this place on TikTok, I've seen it on Instagram, I've seen it everywhere. And we on this side of town, we on the east side, you feel me? So we're about to try this spot out. This place is called New York Deli. They have the halal food. So hopefully that shit hitting. Had it in Virginia. My cousin had took me over there. If y'all in the Virginia area, the place is called DCG. That bitch is pressure. I don't give a fuck if nobody say that bitch is pressure. Y'all need to go over there. But we're about to see what this bitch hitting for. Y'all see that? That bitch look retarded. That bitch look retarded. My camera angle might be down a little bit, but shit, y'all sitting on the dashboard. But shit, let's see what it's hitting for. Hold on. Hold on. Hey, it be valid. It be valid. The only thing I'm missing, some black beans, brother. If they was to fuck with me, I don't think they had none, but if they was to fuck with me on some black beans, shoo. Hey, this shit would have been on point. Now this shit hitting, I ain't even gonna hold you. This bitch a solid 9 out of 10. A solid 9 out of 10. Your bitch is valid. Chicken on point, chicken seasoned. I got the buffalo chicken. I think they got like 3 different kinds. I think they got regular chicken, seasoned chicken, and then buffalo seasoned chicken. But I got the buffalo seasoned chicken because y'all know I like spicy shit. You know, this ain't really spicy, but yeah. This is hidden, brother. This is hidden. So, if y'all on the east side in Atlanta, come over here. New York Deli is the only location. If you made it this far in the vlog, join the gang so it's a nation, lives motherfucking nation in the tool, man. I'm gonna catch you on the next video. 2026. I'm telling y'all.
Gotta pray to God and believe.
Smash the like button.
Rockstar life.